7.5, 180, 17 degrees.
Someone you loved. Louis Capaldi.
I was getting kinda used to being someone you love, but now the day bleeds.
Well, I got a feeling Steamboat Geyser, maybe it erupts tomorrow, Sunday, October 6th. 102 Warrior, Steamboat Warrior. Today's Saturday, the 5th of October 2019. Tomorrow's Sunday, the 6th of October 2019. So Steamboat Geyser erupts tomorrow at 19:51. 7:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time in Wyoming, in USA. That's my guess. And then Tropical Storm Melissa gets named on Monday the 7th. Monday the 7th of October 2019, Tropical Storm Melissa. Melissa means honeybee. Melissa, the honeybee, on the 7th, one day after the first quarter moon, one day after the 71st major eruption of Steamboat Geyser in Wyoming. The 71st eruption in its current active phase. So, 7.5, 181, 17 degrees. It's going to be the 71st major eruption. Athlete equals 71, as does Samuel. It's 11:54, the 5th of October 2019, 18 degrees. 18. Rebecca. Rebecca means captivating beauty. It's unlikely we'd get all the way to R on the Atlantic name list. Kind of weird though. 18, R, 18th letter of the alphabet, the letter R, 18, Rebecca, it's 11:55, 5th of the 10th, 10-5, the Americans write today's date 10-5, Lorenzo is 105. The 12th named storm was Lorenzo. His remnants are passing across the UK today. Rebecca is actually the 17th named storm because they skipped the letter Q. Q for Queen. Queen bee, Anne. Anne, she was a storm, a tropical cyclone in Australian waters. Queen bee, Anne. Queen bee. Queen bee, Anne was a racehorse. Whip is 56. Whip. And if you add up all the letters in Martin's date of birth, they add up to 19. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. Life path number, 1. Life path number equals 150. The 70th major eruption of Steamboat Geyser came after an interval of 150 hours and 31 minutes. Life path number equals 150. And Martin's life path number is 1. He's number 1. So, it's still 17 degrees. The 17th named storm will be Rebecca. Rebecca, the mother of Jacob and Esau in the Bible, the twins. Jacob and Esau, and Rebecca has the same spelling. Okay. Rebecca on Halloween. That's what I'm thinking. Rebecca is a Halloween hurricane, and she's a major hurricane. That's what I'm thinking. A major hurricane for Halloween. Rebecca, the 17th named storm. And the warning signs are Melissa, the honeybee, Anne, Tropical Cyclone Anne, she was named on the 7th of May. She began on the 7th of May, 2019, an Australian tropical cyclone. So Melissa, the same. She'll be named on the 7th of October. Was Anne actually named on the 7th, or was that the beginning of the storm before she got named? Don't know for sure. I do know Melissa is the 13th named storm, and she's going to form on the same date. She's going to be named on the same date as Anne. That's what I know. I looked up Anne, it said she began on the 7th. So let's just roll with that. The 7th of May. So Melissa is the 7th of October. Okay, so that's one of the signs. Melissa getting named on the 7th of October 2019. Monday. Manic Monday. I think it is Manic Monday. The 7th of October 2019. That's one of the signs. What's the other sign? Steamboat Geyser. It erupts on Sunday at 1951. Why 1951? Well, 150 hours is 6 days and 6 hours. Twin is 66. And 31 minutes. That was the interval before the last eruption. 6 days, 6 hours, 31 minutes. Twin, Jacob, 66, 31. So let's go with Bad Mirror Man, 126. Because 126 is also the value of Mount Papandian. MT Papandian Amti Puntang, the twin-peaked volcanoes in West Java, Indonesia, that are going to erupt. That volcano is going to erupt in 2020. So all of this is leading up to that. Now you would think, I thought Anne was number 9, the 9th named storm, the 9th tropical cyclone in Australian waters. I thought Anne was number 9, but she wasn't, because there was another one that snuck in just before Anne, and it was named by Indonesia, and its name was Lily. And if we go back to 2002, there was a hurricane in the Atlantic named Lily, spelt the same way. L-I-L-I, Lily. The Lent lily is the wild daffodil, the floral emblem of Wales. It's 12:01, 19 degrees, 5th of October, 2019. So tomorrow, on the 6th of October, Steamboat Geyser erupts at 19:51. 7:51 p.m. And that's after an interval of 126 hours and 58 minutes. 126 hours and 58 minutes. Nathan equals 58. Jake's spiritual twin is Nathan. Bad Mirror Man 126 is also the value of Mount Papandayan, and it's the value of Mount Puntang. 126 hours is 5 days and 6 hours. Whip equals 56, whip. Penance equals 58, whip penance. Bad Mirror Man Nathan, or whip penance. Either way, it symbolizes the interval leading up to the 71st eruption. Samuel is 71. Athlete is 71. 71st major eruption of Steamboat Geyser in its current active phase is number 39 of 2019, Angel 39. Angel 39, Athlete 71. So we're talking about Martin, the identical triplet of Jacob and Nathan. So twin Jacob, Bad Mirror Man Nathan. That's my guess. It could be something else. Sooner or later, I'm pretty sure there's going to be an eruption at 37 minutes past 1 or 37 minutes past 3. 337, the value of Selwyn Tico Martez Swain. 137 is the value of Samuel Delaney. Or it could be 237. Phoenix, Arizona is an hour before Wyoming. And Minnesota, Jacob's home state, is an hour later. So if it was 237 in Wyoming, it'll be 337 in Minnesota. And if it's 237 in Wyoming, it's 137 in Phoenix, Arizona. Nathan is a boy of the Phoenix. So however it happens, whenever it happens, Steamboat Geyser is going to keep speaking. I'm thinking Melissa gets named on Monday, the 7th. Tropical Storm Melissa, whichever system that is, wherever it is, Melissa on Monday, the 7th. And then the next storm to be named by Indonesia, Manga. Manga is going to... he's going to come to Perth. Manga means mango. Manga is coming to Perth in Western Australia. Tropical cyclone Manga to Perth. Perth means thorn bush, thicket. And that brings us to 2020. The eruption of Mount Papandayan in West Java, Indonesia in 2020. Another date I'm curious about is the 24th of November 2019. Nathan's 24th birthday. He'd be turning 24 on Sunday the 24th of November. Jacob's birthday is 85 days later, the 17th of February. So Jacob's birthday is on a Monday, I think, in 2019. Twins, 85. 85 days between their birthdays. Mount Papandayan in 2020. The 6th of the 9th, 2002. Life path number 1. And then the following year, most likely 2021, Tropical Cyclone Jasper. He's going to be a major tropical cyclone, Jasper. And maybe the G storm in the Atlantic next year. That was my latest thought. The G name in the Atlantic next year might be one to watch. I don't know what it is though. I'll have to look at what it is. I think that's true though about Jasper being a major tropical cyclone in 2021 for Australia. I would assume around it could be the end of 2020 if we get a lot of cyclones, but more likely 2021 at a guess. It could be 2022. It depends how many cyclones there are. But Jasper equals 69. Jasper Lorenzo. Don't know that he'll make landfall, but he might. Lorenzo is currently drifting over Britain, bringing some wind and rain, but nothing terrible. But Lorenzo was powerful. Category 5, and he was big. Big and powerful. The pharaoh of Atlantic hurricanes. The furthest east that any hurricane in recorded history has become a Category 5 in the Atlantic. Hurricane Lorenzo. Jasper Lorenzo. Jasper, 69. The big one, I guess, in the short term is Rebecca on Halloween. And the two signs before Rebecca are the next eruption of Steenbeck Geyser. Number 71 is number 39. And Melissa being named on Monday. Monday the 7th of October 2019. Those are the two signs before Rebecca. And then if those things happen, then you'll know we're serious about Mount Papandayan in 2020. So what is the time? Just missed it. It'll come back though. It will come back. There it is. It's 12:09. Like I said, 5:10 is 10:05. Lorenzo, 105. Well, Lorenzo is no longer a hurricane. He's dissolving into just some rain showers today. But he was a Category 5, and he was the pharaoh of Atlantic hurricanes. Rebecca, the Halloween hurricane Category 5, well, I don't know that Category 5 is what she'll be, but she's going to be a major hurricane, a landfalling hurricane on Halloween.